This is the story of Nitish Kumar, a young man from remote village of Bihar, one of the most resource-limited states of India. His life changes when he was diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. This story is about the journey of a poor father and son and the hardships they endured during their treatment course, COVID crisis, and how they navigate through it.
सब प्लान था, बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाना है, बच्चे को अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ाना था, घर द्वार बनाना है। तबीयत खराब रहता था, अचानक तबीयत बिगड़ गया। जल्दी में गार्जियन हमारे IGMS लेकर चले आए, जहां हमारी डायलिसिस शुरू हो गई।
Chronic kidney disease often begins silently with symptoms like fatigue, swelling and high blood pressure appears as it progresses. When kidney functions drops critically, renal replacement therapy like dialysis becomes essential to remove the waste and control the fluid balances.
The journey of Nitish Kumar shows the difficulties which a young patient of chronic kidney disease from remote area in Bihar had to face. It was only because of family support that he was able to navigate through the health care system in Bihar. He initially presented to us at the young age of 22 with advanced renal failure and hypertension and was requiring dialysis thrice weekly. Nitish Kumar was with us in hospital for 22 months and there was considerable emotional and psychological pressure on him. Once he fled the hospital and went home on his own, as his father was not willing to take him home because in that remote location in Bihar there was no medical facilities available, and he thought that if the need arised, his son will not be able to get a medical treatment there. So he kept him continued admitted in the hospital.
Repeated dialysis and hospital stays can weigh heavily on young CKD patients, leaving them isolated, anxious and often struggling with low self-esteem. The cycle of treatment fosters emotional exhaustion, making it difficult to envision life beyond their illness.
Eventually his father decided to be the donor.
IGMS में हमारा है, उसके बाद जो है सो नीतीश का पोजीशन खराब हो गया। उसके बाद जो है सो हम तय कर लिए जो या कि किडनी प्लांटेशन करा के जाएंगे या कि लाश लेके जाएंगे।
Though the condition of Nitish Kumar was not very good and he was not a very fit candidate for transplant, but his father was adamant. His father said कि या तो मेरा लड़का अपने पैर पे चल के जाएगा या फिर वो 4 कंधों पे जाएगा। His father determination and devotion towards his son moved us.
मैं नीतीश कुमार मैं अपने जीवन में पूरी चुके से हार चुका था। मेरे पास इतना पैसा भी नहीं था जो मैं इलाज करा पाता। अचानक मुझे IGMS हॉस्पिटल के बारे में पता चला, जहां हमने IGMS के हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टरों से दिखाने गए। वहां दिखाने के बाद हमको खूब अच्छे से डॉक्टर के टीमों ने देखा और देखने के बाद हमारा खूब अच्छे से इलाज किया। मेरा ट्रांसप्लांट 25/6/2019 को कर दिए। उसके बाद हम ठीक हो गए। उसके बाद तो हम स्वस्थ रहने लगे और खूब अच्छे तरह से रह रहे हैं।
हमारा बेटा जो है किडनी खराब हो गया था, IGMS पटना आए, अच्छी तरह से कम पैसा में इलाज हुआ। कोरोना काल था, सब आवागमन बंद हो गया था, तो हम जो है सो अपने साइकिल पर लेकर के खाना वाना लेकर के यहाँ से गए समस्तीपुर से फिर चले गए हम पटना। रात में पहुँचे, वहाँ से दवा लेकर के फिर साइकिल से अपने घर आए।
The pandemic posed several challenges for transplant patients, with lockdowns and frequent healthcare disruptions leading to delayed follow-ups and discontinuation of crucial immunosuppressive drugs. Many patients faced the risk of organ rejection and they were forced to ration their doses or missed the treatment due to supply chain issues.
Now 5 years after post-transplant, Nitish Kumar's successful adaptation and expansion of his business, coupled with addition of a new family member, signify a hopeful outcome amidst the complexity of chronic kidney disease.
The journey through chronic kidney disease is undoubtedly complex and often fraught with challenges. However, research shows that a robust support system and patient resilience are critical factors in achieving better health outcomes. By fostering hope and persistence, patients and their families can effectively navigate the difficulties associated with chronic kidney disease and ultimately leading to a more stable and fulfilling life.
The hero of this story is Nitish's father, Mr. Vijay Kumar, who himself being a poor farmer, illiterate, triumphs the hurdles of hailing from remote village with rudimentary health services and poverty. He was adamant enough to cycle 300 kilometers to get the immunosuppressant during COVID time, despite himself being a donor just 9 months post-surgery. We also must acknowledge Government of Bihar, as with medical grant under CM Relief Fund, cost of kidney transplant is just negligible. This story truly glorifies resilience over adversities.